That says $3 billion. Now let me tell you something. I had $1 billion on the paper. January 10th, my father-in-law's dream for his birthday was for Yolanda Adams to sing at his birthday party. And I asked Yolanda, paid for bought me some birthday party. Yolanda said, let me see your dream board. I pulled it out on January 10th. It said $1 billion. She said, change that to a 3. I said, Yolanda, that ain't 1 million. That's saying 1 billion. She said, Steve, God told me the billion already on the way. Ask him for 3. The next morning I got up, called my son downstairs who designed my dream book, put 3 on it. If how Yolanda gonna outdream me for me? How she gonna see something in me I don't see in me? I just changed it to 3. Here's the good part. Listen to this. Here go the good part, y'all. Just showed the picture of Africa to a man from Durban, South Africa who's trying to throw the festival over there. I just showed it to him. He teared up. Said, you want to come to Africa? I come to cut a deal to bring so many things to Africa. I said, that's been my vision for 2 years. We're going to do business in Africa. I'm going to change the infrastructure in Africa. Let me tell you something. Here's the good part. Last part, then I got to go. This is the last part I'm going to tell you. This is the part that make it good. When you write your vision and make it plain, know that he's going to give it to you at a appointed time. But check this out. You don't have to have any idea at all how to accomplish the vision. You ain't even got to have no idea how you're going to get it done. Look, I don't know how to make $3 billion. If I knew how, I'd do the shit by Friday. I ain't got to know how. The Bible does not tell you to figure it out. Your Bible tells you to ask, believe, and receive. The receive part is the trick move. Because what he's saying to you is when you ask him and believe, you now must act as though you already have it. That's how you receive it. Then he'll give it to you. They don't want to tell you that part though. Want to leave that out. Just ask and believe. No, man. You got to make ready. You got to act like you got it. You do not have to know how to get and make your dreams come true. The how-to is none of your business. The how-to is God's business. It ain't got nothing to do with you. You think I know how to get 4 TV shows on TV? I promise you I don't. But I ain't have to. He do. I'm on 4 TV shows because he knows. That's all I'm trying to tell you. I appreciate you.
Steve,